Hey, hello all. Welcome to another Clojure Diary video. So today we are going to look about EDN files, and if you're Clojure programmer, you would have come across it. But yeah, this is a beginner's video, and I'm just going to tell it from the beginner's perspective. So what is an EDN file? EDN file is nothing but a file that stores Clojure data structure, and it ends with .edn. So the name of the file ends with .edn. Similar, like Clojure files end with .cng, EDN files end with .edn. Okay, so if you want to know, all those interview stuff, you need to know. Okay, EDN means extensible data notation. Possibly it's something like JSON or something like that. Oh, okay, it's written over here. Yeah, it's something like JSON or something like that. So you just have any data structure in Clojure, right? So maybe you have a data structure like, let's say you have a map, and this is one, and this is two, three, and all those stuff. So you can store this in a EDN file and access it. Okay. So I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, so what we will do is we will create a new file, and we'll just put like, uh, let's store it, spell numbers dot adn, right? So let's put it over here. So now this is in okay, so now this is in spell numbers dot adn. So how to bring this data into this file, like a Clojure program, right? So there is a thing called, of course, like require and Clojure, right? So you can require whatever libraries you want, right? So I think the EDN is okay. Let me see, where is EDN, right? Uh, okay, so it is somewhere over here, like Clojure.edn as EDN. So let me just put this in my code, right? So I'm just putting this in my code. So EDN is there. So let me just execute it. So okay, just gives nil. Hopefully no errors. So that's the thing. And there is a thing called read string or something like that. So first let's slurp this file. So slurp, and then will numbers dot edn, right? So let's execute this. So yeah, you're just getting this as string. Okay, so now in EDN you have a thing called read string or something like that. Okay, so you have a thing called, EDN slash, so autocomplete, read, I think str, hopefully. Okay, no, that's not there. Okay, so uh, okay, read string. Okay, string. So there is a thing. Okay, so somehow, okay, this thing has been okay, this slurp just reads it, and now this EDN read string now returns a closure object. Right? So look at the slurp. So slurp returned the string, and now, okay, so this is the thing. And so yeah, now let's assign it to a variable or something like that. So def spell numbers. Okay, so right. So yeah. So and let's execute it. So now if I just put like, spell numbers, if I just put something like 2, yeah, it's working, right? So now I think how to add stuff to spell numbers. Let me just do something like, I just forgot like how to add, like I think like you can put conj or okay. ASSOC associate, right? So and okay, so okay, so I hope like okay, okay, like over here we need to put spell numbers, right? And then let's put four and let's put FOUR, right? And let's see what it gives. Okay, yeah. So now we have got this four, right? So now we just want to write this into EDN. So what we just do is like okay, we just spit it out, spit. Okay, and then let's just put like okay, like spell numbers dot edn, right? So let's just do that. Cannot open. Okay. Okay. So what I just need to do is okay. This is actually returning a Clojure data structure. We need to convert this into a string. Okay. So like okay, like let me just put something like this. Okay. So there is a thing called PTRSTR, means print string. There is a variation between this and println. So I'll just tell it later. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing, and let me see whether it works. Uh, PTR, STR. Okay, right. Okay, PRN, STR. Okay, PRN. Okay, print string. PRN, STR. Right, print string. So what this will do is okay, like let me just take this out and just put it over here and execute it. So what this does is uh okay, right, this actually returns, this should actually return a string. Okay, but yeah, the string is being printed as something without quotes over here, right? So that's the thing, right? So the difference between this and println is PRINTLN. So okay, so println returns something really weird. So yeah. So what's the difference? What I read was this one returns a string. So uh this data structure over here, right? This 1 2 3 4 gets converted into string and gets returned. So this will become a string, and this will be returned into sorry, will be written into this function like spell numbers.edn, and we're using spit for that. Okay, so let me just execute and see whether it works. Okay, yeah, hopefully it works. So if you just go and see spell numbers, I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, so spell numbers, it's still 1 2 3. Why? Let me just put it into another file. Spell numbers 2.edn. Okay, let me just open this file. Spell numbers. I'm not sure. Okay, I think it's been written in some other place, like not sure where it's been written, right? Okay, so there is a file something like this, and I think this contains this one. Okay, yeah. So I think I just switched the arguments, right? So that's one problem with Clojure. Okay, not problem with Clojure, of course. Problem with understanding the program. So I think split should have the first argument as the file name. So spell numbers dot edn, and over here we just put it like this. Okay, so that's it. So let me just execute. So it's nil. So if I just go to spell numbers edn, so there is 4, right? So that's how EDN file works. This is just a Clojure data structure, You can put whatever data structure over here you want. And what to say, this EDN file, you can read it like this. Okay. And to write it, just put any data structure, give any data structure to prnstr. Okay, I think it means print string. This will convert this into a string, and then you can just spit it to any file, right? So that's it. Yeah, this is about EDN files. Very very basic stuff about EDN files. And if you want to know more or something like that, yeah, please do put it in comments. I'll be more than happy to do a video about it. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching.